Hey guys, today we're going to talk about T-Bird and Throttle versus the Ape Men. It's a book that came across my Twitter feed, and it looked really cool and interesting. I like the art. Look at the faces. Just doesn't that remind you of old school cartoons, like 80s? Ah, love it. We're going to take a look at the campaign on Indiegogo. It is funding right now. Book is by Josh Howard. He is Howrad Media, I think, on YouTube. I will have it linked in the description, as well as the backing link for Indiegogo, and it will be the pinned comment under the video. So let's go and take a look. Okay, here we are on Indiegogo, right now, and T-Bird and Throttle versus the Ape Men, the next exciting chapter in the acclaimed superhero epic. That's awesome. And there's Josh right there. Oh, look, it's got 6,730. It's trying to get to 12,000 with 104 backers. So there. We'll go down and we'll look at the tiers. And T-Bird and Throttle versus the Ape Men digital. You can get the digital copy for $15. T-Bird and Throttle versus the Ape Men is $20 here. That's awesome. Here we got Ape Men blackout cover A. Ooh, I like that. 25. Ape Men blackout cover B. 25. Oh, I like that too. I like these blackout covers. Ape Men blackout cover C. 25. That's a nice one. The whole story digital, $30. You can download all of it. T-Bird and Throttle versus the Moonmen for $35. I believe this was the first installment. If I'm wrong, please correct me in the comments. For $35. T-Bird and Throttle, the whole story, $55. Ape Men blackout cover set is $60. Oh, you can get all of them. Cool. Ape Men all covers $75. So you get the blackout and the regular ones. That's nice for $75. All covers plus collected edition is $100. Not so bad there. 9x12 bust commission, $125. And those that are shaded like that, we can't click on those. Those are done, gone, finito. And here we go. We'll go down through here. New villains, new allies, all new story. The next chapter of T-Bird and Throttle is here. And there it tells you all about that. You can take time and read that. And you'll notice some of the images here that I was talking over earlier. As always, I got images from the trailer and from the campaign. So, not showing anything I shouldn't. It's all out there. Alright. The players, and it gives you a rundown of each character. That's so cool. That's so cool. I got screenshots from that. T-Bird and Throttle versus the Ape Men. There we go. Alright, the previous 4 chapters, collectively called T-Bird and Throttle versus the Moonmen, are available in this campaign in one complete volume. Read the first 60 pages free. For free. The first 60 pages of T-Bird and Throttle versus the Moonmen. Wow. That's cool. That's cool. Let's see some more of the art. What's T-Bird and Throttle all about? You can read that right there. And this is about Josh Howard, the creator. Read that. And these are perks. And variant covers. And there's blackout cover A. blackout cover B, I like the Emily one. And blackout cover C, I like the Amy one. Wonder why. Just showing you some more stuff. Original art. Down through here. Stretch goals. Stretch goals are always great. And more to come, so there's more to be added. So you go down through there and you can take a look at all. I mean, there's a lot to look at on this campaign. For real. Alright, and we'll go back up. Consider coming over and supporting Josh. This book looks fun. I like the art, especially the women's faces. I really like that. It's like a throwback. In the comments what you think. But yes, it's funding. Its goal is $12,000. It's a little over halfway there, so hopefully people will see this video and check it out and back it. And as always, I will leave you now, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you for sticking with me. Bye.